वो प्रिंट बस निकाल लिया। काट के कार्ड बनवा देवे, दो दे हमरा नीचा वाला के खाली संभाल करा, ऊपर पकड़ो कलाकार वाला कार्ड। Good morning.
Good morning, sir. सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है।
Nichit, I'm not teaching. I'm just waiting that others should attend.
सॉरी सर।
Okay, I don't think rest of the people will attend. In earlier lecture, I told you about the how to upload the image file. Do you remember? How many of you remember? Just respond me in chat, I think. Okay. I think yeah, there's one is saying yes and Arjun yes. Okay. So before moving to the next section, I would like to explore that you people should at least implement this form given in I think yeah the PHP file upload page. Okay, so just check your php.ini file. It is available in your XAMPP PHP folder that may have name php developer.ini sometime. Just check this file that your file upload is on or not. 99% of time it is on, and if you don't wish to check, then just leave it for the time being, and just create a page. Listen me carefully. Create a page, a PHP page. Name it anything. You say a form page, PHP form dot PHP, anything, and paste this code. This code is just the uploading image. Okay, so your job is to create one PHP file in which you have to paste this code, and then what will happen if I press submit button? So for that you have to create another file known as upload.php. Since you are writing up you are writing here action equal to upload.php, that's why you need to create another file that is upload.php, and in that PHP file you should actually write this code. And I think majority of you understand this code. I again want to just recap. uh, uh, First thing first, create a PHP file by any name, paste this code, create another file upload.php, and paste this code, and create a folder uploads having name uploads. Okay, so whatever image you will upload, that will be saved in this folder. Okay, and your target file will contain whatever image will be uploaded. That image will be pointed by this target file. Upload okay meaning yes, upload will occur. Image file type will extract your type of image. Suppose it's JPG or GIF or whatever it is. So it will contain type. So whatever file you will pass, meaning whatever file you will upload, it will extract its extension and then convert it to lowercase str lower string to lower. ठीक है, whatever string we have, it will convert that to lower. So this will contain the extension of your image, this will contain the complete image name, and you will check that if someone is pressing submit, then this will be true, meaning is set post submit. Means why there is a submit button is because if you will check in the form, you can find that it has a name submit. Okay, that's why is using that name, the box name. And if this is it had some value, meaning if someone press it and inset will be 1, and in that case you simply check that whether actually someone is uploading image or not. That may be the case. I just told you in earlier lecture that you will not select an image and just click on upload button. So in that case it should not upload and it should give you an error. So what is that error is, if check is there, meaning if there is an image, so it will return the size of image. Okay, so if check has some size, if there is no image, then check has 0. Okay, so if it is 0, then there is no file. If it is not 0, meaning check is not equal to false, then there is a file, and that file name is something, and you can upload. Okay, upload. Okay, one meaning, yes, upload, we can upload. Okay, so if thereafter, this is the code to upload the file, where if upload okay is 0, then sorry, we cannot upload, else we can. This is the code to upload, and that we will learn about this code separately in one of the lecture. And meanwhile, there are few codes that is there to check many constraint, like if file already exist in your folder, then you have to do this checking. You want to limit the size of file someone is just uploading, then you have to use this condition that if file upload size is greater than this, you can write any number. This is nothing but the 500 kb. You can whatever size you will see, 500 triple zero. So triple zero is 1k, so 500k, and everything is in byte. So whatever you will say will be there. And if you want to allow some fix uh, extensions, like one wish to allow only JPG, GIF. Sometimes the images has I think 20 to 50 different extensions for different purposes. So if you wish to allow the limited number of extension, then fix it that if image is not of this type, not of this type, not of this type, then there should be an error, and there should not be any upload. Okay, meaning a user is not giving the image in this format, then upload is 0, and the moment upload is 0, you will say sorry, your file cannot be uploaded. So I'm expecting that everyone should write these two files and show me by today. Okay, you have lab session in second half also, so just look into it, and I will see your form page in second half. Agree? Any doubt? Okay, I will upload this recording. So which file? Okay, I'm having issues. Okay, not an issue. This one actually I just re- repeated everything. So you did not worry. What I'm trying to say, Arjun, you should also listen that you just have to create upload image page. Okay, so there are two code, one for form page and another is for upload.php page. And never forget to create a folder uploads. Okay, otherwise and everything will be there in your XAMPP http htdocs folder. है ना? Since it's a PHP file, so it will not work directly like HTML. File, all the files will have extension .php. Arjun, is it okay? Okay, okay. So any other query? No, sir. And Abhay, Dhairya, Kritika.
सर ट्राई कर रहा हूँ.
Good. Dhairya, Kritika and Manav.
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है, clear है ना?
Hello.
Yeah, it's clear na? Okay, Kritika,
Yes,
try.
sir.
You have this session and the lab session today. So in this two session, you have to finish this form and upload in your live link there so that I can see it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Manav is clear. Mithul, I think Mithul is clear also. Prakhar, Sama Swetkit.
Yes, sir.
Is clear na?
Yeah.
सर
हाँ बोलो तन्मय.
सर मेरी वो लिंक नहीं खुल रही है सर. मतलब
कौन
सर
सी वाली link?
मेरे में ओपन हो रही है सर वो वेब पोस्ट वाली. या सर मतलब सर उसमें मैंने अभय सर खोला था, मतलब मैं उसको भेजा था तो उसने ओपन करा तो सर उसके में वायरस दे रहा है और मेरे में खुल रही है लेकिन सर. और एक
हाँ,
दूसरे
तेरा
सर्वर में देखा तो सर
तेरा
उसमें भी.
बताता है वायरस नहीं, तेरा अनट्रस्टेड साइट बताता है. मैं भी देखा
हाँ
था.
तो सर क्यों क्यों आ रहा है सर वो
वो पॉसिबल है, ब्राउजर का अपना मतलब है, हो सकता है उसका नेमिंग के
सर क्योंकि
कारण
क्रोम
कुछ.
में ही दे रहा है ज्यादातर वो.
खैर उससे परेशान नहीं होना है. तुम अपना सारे कोड को ना एक बार हटा
यस
दो,
सर.
क्लीन कर दो,
अच्छा
बैकअप ले लो,
ठीक है.
क्लीन
ओके.
कर दो. ठीक है.
हाँ यस
हाँ,
सर.
तो फिर हो, और फिर देखो कि मतलब सारे जितने भी फाइल है ना सबका बैकअप ले लो, उसको फिर क्लीन कर दो, वहां से सारे डिलीट कर दो. अब खोल के देखो कि अभी भी बता रहा है या नहीं बता रहा.
अच्छा तो सर जैसे कल मैंने आपको भेजी थी लिंक तो आप ओपन कर रहे थे तब भी वो दे रहा था वायरस वाला
हाँ
उसमें.
हाँ हाँ, मैं ओपन कर रहा था तभी वो बता अनट्रस्टेड बता रहा था. तो मैं
हम्म.
अनट्रस्टेड साइट को नहीं खोलता, तो मैंने उसे छोड़ दिया और टाइम नहीं मिला. अब नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें पिंग करता.
ओके ठीक है.
हाँ,
ओके सर. थैंक यू.
तो उसको ना एक बार डिलीट करके तुम देखो. मतलब ऐसा है कि
हाँ
ये
यस सर.
सारे फाइल को डिलीट कर दिया, अगर अब भी वो बता रहा है अनट्रस्टेड साइट, तो पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है कि जो लिंक है तुम्हारा उसी को वो नहीं कर रहा है. और क्लीन करने के बाद भी बता रहा है तो अनट्रस्टेड साइट को विजिट करने के लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. फिर एवरीवन कैन विजिट, अदरवाइज इट इज अनसेफ. ठीक है.
ओके
और
ओके
क्रिएट
सर.
एन
ठीक है.
अनदर लिंक, इट्स फ्री ना,
हाँ यस
so
सर.
you can create
ठीक
another
है.
link. Okay.
ओके ठीक है. थैंक यू
Good,
सर. यस.
good. And Swapnil and Swetkid.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना, बन जाएगा
Yes, sir.
पक्का ना. ठीक है, बन जाएगा तो fine. Arihant, you are late. Okay, तन्मय का हो गया, तेजवान, Swetkid, Sama, Prakhar. Okay then, so just try this and I will see everything and at the end of lab session today. Clear? So this is towards the end of this unit, and thereafter we have only one unit to complete, that is related to XML. So after going through the cookies and session, we will go for next week. I think in next week we will start XML, and once we will after your the completion of XML, I think our syllabus is okay, and then we will start a mini project. Okay, do not waste your time here. Just start coding this form and tell me if you have any difficulty. लैब सेशन अर्जुन ज्वाइन नहीं करना है आपको, ये जो टास्क मैंने दिया है इसको एनी हाउ आज कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है। और जिसके भी ऑनलाइन वेब में कोई भी इशू है, बहुत बच्चों का आज इशू है, वो सारे अपने लिंक्स को ठीक करो और मुझे आज ग्रुप में भेजो। Okay, I'm ending the session here and expecting that you people should start coding